In today's video, I will walk you through the customization that we did as part of our agency management project. And you will see the power of Salesforce Lightning Web Components and the level of customization or enhancements that you can do to the Lightning Web Components make them look extremely aligned with the modern web development standards. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. This is your host, Shubham. And I welcome you back to this channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe to it now so that you can stay updated with the latest updates. So without wasting a second, let's get started. So here, I'm inside one of my custom objects called employees. And I'm trying to look at one of my employee record. As you can see, it's a dummy data because we are just showcasing the demo of what we have developed and what level of customization we have made. It's a modern kind of UI for the users, and we have put together all the related information for an employee on the same page. Here, you can see that this is my home page of the employee record. And if you are using Salesforce and if you know, the UI of Salesforce doesn't look like this. So it is modern looking customized Lightning Web Component for the employee record. As you can see that we are showcasing all the employee related information such as basic details like the employee number, the status, and contact information such as email or phone number on same component, which will give users the complete view of all the necessary information related to employee at one place. One interesting thing you might have noticed that we are not revealing its sensitive information so that unauthorized people don't know actual detail of that employee. We just hashing out the confidential information so that we can prevent it from any kind of leakage. Like that, on the right hand side, we have 3 tabs. In the first tab, we show the overview of the employee record, such as the basic details such as employee ID, name, date of birth, gender, marital status, hire date, those sort of things. And we also try to provide some sort of tool tips so that we can add the information relevant to that field. Because as you understand, some of the fields doesn't make sense to all the users. So in those kind of situations, we can use these tooltips to add valuable description. Then we are also showcasing the address and contact section, where we render the address and contact related information. And as you can see that we are, hashing the values for making it secure, and even for showcasing map or address related to the employee, we are using the Google Maps to render the map view, so it is working like that. Then we have the button in the context section, qualifications, employment history, so this gives the entire view of the employee at the same location, and which makes the data processing easier for the end user. We are using this component in our Lightning Experience site. Since I'm not allowed to share that here, therefore, I just added this component here on the record detail page for the demo purpose. In order to develop this component we have used technologies like Salesforce Lightning Web Components for user interface, Apex classes to get the data, Lightning design system in what I say, some sort of custom CSS classes for branding and customization. Apart from these standard technologies, you can also see that here we are using the Apex charts library to render these beautiful charts just to showcase the different set of leave that an employee has. And each of the leave is categorized here such as medical leave, vacation, like emergency leave, casual leave, or maternity leave. So we have tried to give a clear visibility on the currently status of the employee's leave sheet to both employee and the managers of the employee. For example, as you can see that the employee has put a leave request for review. Again, these are the sample data, so you might find some odd dates, but it will give you an idea that how the system will work. It will showcase all the leave requests that are either approved or applied from the employee. This section also helps the employees as they can see what is their current leave request status. Just to summarize, this custom LWC component will give the complete picture about the employee and its basic details, contact details, where he is located based on the Google Map and leave request status. So this component gives the full details of the employee to whoever is interested in getting those details, and we can leverage this component at all the possible places where we want to use. Like, here, I'm using it on a record page, but we can use it in the community site flow. We can create a separate tab for it, or maybe we can reuse it at multiple places as per our use case. So this is pretty much it about this quick, demo walk through of the things that we developed with the Salesforce, LWC, and Apex. Do let me know in the comment section below what you feel about it. Is it looking exciting to you? Are you willing to work on such modern web development technology that Salesforce offers? If there is anything that you want to share with me, then feel free to use the comment section below. I will definitely try to get back to you as soon as I can.